This is the story of a founder who started with a notebook, late nights, and a stubborn belief that real value outshines hype. Behind the victories lay long hours of customer interviews and edits to the product that sharpened focus. A pivotal pivot transformed a dwindling idea into a platform that scaled by listening to users and removing friction. The team built culture around learning, disciplined experimentation, and leadership that invited feedback. Aspiring entrepreneurs can mine these truths. Start with clarity, test quickly, stay flexible, and let impact guide growth.